mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. Karera sa araw ng linggo, September 8, 2024, Sunday Racing. Mayroong 7 races. Lahat ay 1,400 meter distance, maliban sa race 2, ang Lakambini Stake Race. Ang distansya ay 1,600 meter, 1 milya. Race number 1, first choice number 3, Bukawe River Town. Second choice number 1, Cat Bite. Race 2, 2024 Pilracom Lakambini Stake Race. Distance 1,600 milya. Ating pong first choice, coupled entry 2, The Keys 2A Primavera. Second choice, coupled entry then 10 over a zooming 10A High Dollar. Race number 3, first choice number 2, Shadow Ox. Second choice number 4, My Jopay. Race 4, only choice number 2, Daily Burn. Race 5, first choice number 6, Golden Sunrise. Second choice number 1, Queen of the Nile. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice number 2, No Senyang Yana. Second choice number 7, Malibo Bell. Race 7, last race. Wala pa ring event ng Super 6 dahil sa 7 ng entries. So sobra lang ng isa. Kaya pentapekta event din itong last race. First choice natin, number 1, Prince Ice. Second choice, number 2, Bisyo, Magserbisyo. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!